Hi students, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a circle graph on Microsoft Excel. So on your computer you would open this Excel up and create a new book and start with a blank document. So this is question number 5 on page 116 of your workbook. Okay, question number 5. Okay, so this is also the example that's in the lesson under drawing circle graphs. And we're talking about a fundraiser at a school. And in this fundraiser, there are different means of fundraising. So if I were to say categories, okay, so means of fundraising, and then this is the amount raised. Right, so these are my two categories. And this one, let's say the first category was parental donations, which had the amount of $7.50. And then the next category is chocolate bar sales, and we had an amount of $3.25. And then we have hot lunches, and that raised $3.75. And then concert proceeds, and that was raised a total of $150. And under classroom donations, we raised a total of $100. Okay, so to draw a circle graph from this data, what you will do is you would highlight the two entries, and then under Insert, click on Insert and click on this button right here, Insert Pie Chart. Okay, so you would click a 2D pie, so it looks like that. There you go, and it automatically draws the graph for you. Okay, to add a title. Okay, so right here, chart title above. Yeah, that's right. So more options. Text option. Okay, no, that's not what you do. Okay, oh, you can actually click right on it and edit this. Okay, so we're going to call this school fundraiser. Yeah, we'll just call it school fundraiser. Okay, and so that's the title. Okay, so let's say more if we can get percentage up. Okay, so data labels, let's take a look here. And if we can see center, inside out, best fit, well, that's good, but we also want to include the percentage. Okay, let's see if there's more options. Percent, there you go. Okay, so you can include the value and percent, or you can only include the percent. So I'm going to set for both, and let's see if I can actually best fit outside, inside, center. Definitely not center. That's not bad. Or best fit outside end. So I might just say that and leave it at that. Perfect. Okay, so that's my graph there. And if you need to get this over to a Word document, all you have to do is copy and go to the Word document and paste. You would be able to get the graph there. Okay, so you do need to do this for your assignment for this unit. But if you have any questions, do ask your teacher in private discussion. Okay, thanks.